Okay, Max?
I will show you the second hotel we stayed at in Bali.
This place is called the Arwana estate. There are 4 villas in this estate. That's the villa we're at, Villa Sam. Yeah, and that's the entrance into our villa. I'll show you inside. So that's the entrance. Once you step in, you can see the stairs down. There's a pond here. And once you get down off the stairs, there's a bed here for you to relax and rest. That's our own private swimming pool. And there's some chairs here to relax. So breakfast is included here. It's continental breakfast. Lunch and dinner, that's what they can cook for us. So I'll show you the menu here. See, that's the breakfast which is included. And then here, there's lunch, dinner, that's what they can make for us without any extra charge. We just have to pay the cook to buy us the ingredients. Alright, Thomas, go and show the other parts of the villa. So, living area with a couch here for us to lie down and relax, and a TV there. And there are 2 rooms on the ground floor. Let's go show the rooms first. Here. So that's the first room. I'll probably stay in this room, first room. That's the bed. There's a TV here. And the bathroom. I'll show you the bathroom. It looks really special. See the door, you push in. Yeah. And that's the bathtub.
You can look outside.
You can look outside, it's open, yes. And the shower over there. Yeah. And the sink, the toilet.
I might need to go again. I might need to go again.
Go again, go to the toilet again. Alright. So when you're having your shower or bath, you can see outside, you can even look up onto the sky.
I will show you the second room. Is it locked?
No, it's not locked. So it looks similar to the first one, but facing the other direction. So the bed here, TV, and then you can look out while you're sleeping, you can look out onto the wall.
Yeah, and there's like another toilet.
Yeah.
Which is like your one.
Yeah, correct. Very similar. Yeah, same. And Chicky Reese has woken up. So the sink here, toilet there, bathtub here, and also the shower there.
And the rubbish bin.
The rubbish bin there, yes.
Well, you are using the toilet, or when you're using the bath or shower, you can look into the sky and enjoy the view.
Let's go upstairs. So upstairs, this is the master bedroom. I'll let my in-laws sleep in this room.
This is a bit nicer because you could like put your legs.
Oh, put your feet here.
Can I sleep here?
Yeah, you can, but probably too small for you to sleep. Alright, and here, second floor, you can look down into the swimming pool. See? Into the swimming pool, you can open up the window, can look down into the swimming pool.
I will show you a video of the bathroom.
Yeah, oh, it's all enclosed, this one.
This is a full built room.
Yeah, so sink here, toilet here, bath,
And hey.
shower. So although this is the master bedroom, but you don't get to look out while you have your shower.
My grandpa ordered an in-room massage. The chef came in every day.
So that's what the chef made for us for our lunch. Yeah, they just look very yummy. I can't wait to have them.
We swim in the swimming pool every day. I will show you some funny pictures of Reese. you like my video, please subscribe to our channel. We will make a lot of fun videos.